A comparison from the old board versus the new board. The size is the same, the connectors are the same. It uses here those ribbon cables and those green Phoenix plugs on the other side. So it's an easy swap over of connectors. Yeah, we got the this is your connection to the HMI, which is the same as that one. Then we got the pneumatic manifold, which is this one and this one. That would be this one and this one. Then we got the auxiliary outputs over there, which would be over there. The auxiliary inputs plugged in over there. Then your counting head goes in here while the original was over there. A wave probe, if it is connected, plugs into this one. So it comes from this connector over here. Then we have 24 volt DC, which goes here and here. And the 24 volt DC is here and there, so that's the same. If we turn it around, we can see that the others are also the same. From this side we have the front vibrator, middle vibrator, hopper vibrator, nozzle vibrator and the mains power input, and the same here, front, middle, hopper, nozzle and the mains power input. So that is an easy swap over. As for the new versus the old HMI, the post where this one is mounted onto has 3 cables coming out. One cable is for the communication with the other board, the motherboard. Normally it's connected to this plug over here. Sometimes I've seen this plug to this one, but anyway, that's one cable. The other cable is to power the HMI, which is 12 volt AC. This one connects over there. And the third cable is for jacking the machine up and down, which is normally connected to this key switch over here. There's a switch on this side to jack the machine up or down. The cable connects to this one here. It's 3 cores, so the 3 cores will have to be moved to the other HMI. So how do we connect that up? The communication cable connects to this plug over here. The 12 volt AC connects to this plug over there. And then the jacking up and down connects to this plug over here. So on this new HMI, the up and down jacking is not done with a key switch, but is done with 2 push buttons on the screen. And this key switch is just to protect the data. So this key switch over here has the same function as this key switch over there, the top one. Yeah? So this one is for the jacking. In the new case, the jacking is 2 icons on the HMI. And this one is for protection, the same as this key switch over there. And this is then how it looks like when it is connected up in a minimum way. So at this stage we only use the 24 volt input. Then we use 24 volt output to power the HMI. So this HMI can actually run on 12 volt AC as well as 24 volt DC. With this cable it's easy to just check it with 24 volt DC. So we have the power to the HMI and the communication to the HMI. And then, since this one is designed for a double machine, we only have one motherboard connected to it, so we need to disable the other one. And to turn off power, communication. This is M1. And now we could run this side of the machine if the rest of it was connected. Now it gives us some error messages that the conveyor is not running and the vibrators are not enabled. So obviously we can't start it, but this is how it should look like for M1, which would be the left hand side if you stand in front of the machine, and M2 would be for the right hand side.